Hi, and welcome to Strayos, AI-powered drilling and blasting for mine optimization. I'm Brad Gingell, COO of Strayos and mining operations expert. Poor drilling and blasting decisions have huge flow-on impacts. They add cost and delays to every subsequent step in the value chain, from loading and hauling through to crushing and grinding. However, most of these blast design decisions are still made based on rules of thumb from 50 years ago, combined with a healthy dose of gut feel. This is because drill and blast optimization is hard. It can take months to gather enough data. It's a nightmare trying to connect a host of unstructured, often paper-based data sources. And once it's done, the benefits are only sustained until the next change of rock conditions or equipment tooling. This is why we built Strayos. Our platform provides tools used day to day by engineers for everything from rock mass characterization to blast design to fragmentation analysis. These workflows are all streamlined and automated with our deep learning and computer vision models. The usage of these tools builds a wealth of rich data that enables mine-to-mill optimization modeling. And finally, our advanced simulation and optimization tools make it easy to identify the right drill and blast parameters for each shot that maximize total site profitability. Using AI, we've transformed this high-impact performance optimization process from a months-long consulting project into an embedded day-to-day operation. This is the only way to truly achieve sustained continuous improvement. Here at Strayos, we exist to pull the mining industry into a smarter, safer, and cleaner future. Thank you.